Hello folks, welcome to Banking and Financial Awareness session. So in this session, we will discuss all the news related to banking and financial affairs from January 16 to January 10. So there is separate video for January 1 to January 5. So link for that video is given in description box. You can go and watch that video for Jan 1 to Jan 5. So let's start the video. So as I asked you in previous session, we will start from that point only. So there was one question for you. What is the full form of LCR? So the full form is liquidity coverage ratio. So many people have given correct answer. Manisha, Neha, these people have given correct answer. So I have told I will tell you why LCR is in news. So let's understand what is LCR. So liquidity coverage ratio is proportion of highly liquid or high quality liquid asset held by financial institutions to ensure their ongoing liabilities to meet short term obligation. So it is as per the Basel III Accord. So as per Basel III Accord, banks are required to hold some amount of high quality liquid assets. So what is this high liquid or high quality liquid assets? I will tell you that is enough to fund cash outflow for 30 days. So this much amount of high quality liquid asset banks needs to maintain. So what is this high quality liquid assets? Those are more liquid or that can be converted into liquid asset without any depreciation of their value. Those assets are known as high quality liquid asset. We know what is liquidity. So why it was in news? So recently RBI has upgraded or revised its upper threshold limit for LCR maintenance by banks. So that's where we have the first question. So the question is RBI has recently revised upper threshold limit for LCR maintenance by banks on funds received from non-financial small business. So for funds received from non-financial small business customer from 5 crore to 7.5 crore. That's why LCR was in news few days back. I hope LCR is clear and this question is also clear. So whenever initially this limit was minimum threshold limit was 5 crore. So now whenever banks will receive funds from non-financial small business customer more than 7.5 crore, then they have to maintain LCR. So it is applicable for scheduled commercial bank and it is not applicable for regional rural banks, payments banks and local area bank. That we should know. Next is who has launched Bahane Chhoro Tax Bachao campaign? So Bahane Chhoro Tax Bachao campaign has been launched by SBI General Insurance. So we know like insurance, the tax saving with insurance instruments comes under section 80D of Income Tax Act. This is very important section. We should know this. Next is who has been appointed as Vice President of Asia Infrastructure Investment Bank for 3-year term recently. Options are Shaktikanta Das, Geeta Gopinath, Urjit Patel, C. Rangarajan, none of the above. The correct answer is Urjit Patel. AIIB headquarter is Beijing, China. Next is Indian Bank has signed a co-lending agreement with which of the following to expand priority sector lending? Options are Loan Card, Edelweiss Group, Muthoot Finance, Lending Card, none of the above. Correct answer is Edelweiss Group. So Indian Bank has headquarters at Chennai. And let me know in comment section who is the chairman of Indian Bank. Next is who will be head of newly set up fintech department of RBI? This I explained in the earlier session also. RBI has recently come up with new department, new fintech department. That department will be headed by Ajay Kumar Chaudhary. So A is the correct answer. Ajay Kumar Chaudhary and Deepak Kumar, both of them has been appointed as executive director of RBI recently in the first week of Jan. Next is STPI Next signs MOU with which bank to strengthen tech startup ecosystem in India? Correct answer is HDFC Bank. So STPI Next is the arm of STPI Software Technology Park of India. It has signed 2 MOU, one with HDFC Bank and other is Excel Group. Next is Google announced its strategic partnership with which of the following bank to improve bank's customer experience through its digital platform Abacus 2.0. Correct answer is RBL Bank. So RBL Bank has recently changed its MD and CEO. Let me know in comment section who is the current MD and CEO of RBL Bank. Next is, as per the newly issued guidelines for eligibility criteria of Credit Bureau or Credit Information Company by RBI, what is the minimum net worth for a company to be eligible for Credit Information Company? Option are 2 crore, 100 crore, 200 crore, 10 crore, 5 crore. Correct answer is minimum net worth should be 2 crore and they should have at least 3 years of experience in this field. That can be applied for being a credit information company. Next is, as per first advance estimate of national income for FY22 by NSO, what is the India's GDP growth rate at constant price? So as per the first advance estimate by NSO, India's GDP growth rate at constant price is 9.2%. So it is lower than the RBI projection. RBI has projected it 9.5% initially. So NSO works under Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, MSP. Next is, as per IHS market report, which country will become Asia's second largest economy by 2030? So this report states that India will become second largest economy. It will replace Japan by 2030. Next is, as per newly issued guidelines for AEPS, what is AEPS? Aadhaar Enabled Payment System by NPCI, what is maximum amount withdrawal limit per transaction of micro ATMs of Aadhaar Enabled Payment System? So NPCI has recently launched few guidelines for AEPS. So what is this maximum amount withdrawal per transaction is? Answer is 10,000. So maximum withdrawal per transaction is 10,000 and maximum 5 transactions is allowed in a month and maximum 5 mini statement is also allowed. We should know these things. Next is, Park Plus has collaborated with which of the following bank to provide FASTag based smart parking solutions? So the correct answer is Airtel Payment Bank. Who is the MD and CEO of Airtel Payment Bank? It's Anubrat Biswas. Next is, which of the following company has launched India's largest bond sale for offshore investors? So Reliance Industries Limited has launched India's largest bond sale for offshore investment. So by this, Reliance is planned to collect $2 to $4 billion of money. Next is, as per data released by Finance Ministry in Jan 2022, deposits in Jan Dhan account crossed how much mark? So as per data released by Finance Ministry, deposits in Jan Dhan account has crossed 1.5 lakh crore. Now let me know in comment section what is the tagline of Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. Also let me know when it was launched. Next is, who is interim chairperson of IBBI? So what is IBBI? Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India. So answer is Navrang Saini. So Navrang Saini was interim chairperson earlier also. His term has been increased for 3 more months. And now last question is for you. We will start our next discussion from this question itself. So the question is, as per Global Economic Prospect Report by World Bank released in January 2022, what is India's GDP growth forecast for FY 2022? So let me know the answer in comment section for this question. So that's all for today's session. Whatever I have asked while discussing above question and the answer for this question, let me know in comment section and keep watching. I will come up with next video from Gen 11 to Gen 15 in coming days. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.